Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I didn't want to plan anything specific for this one. I just thought I'd start cooking up, see what kind of vibe I can catch, and hopefully show you some tips and tricks along the way. But I have been reading everyone's comments, and I have been taking everyone's suggestions on board, so I've got a lot of new content dropping, which you've all been asking for. I've got a new vocal mixing tutorial, which is aimed at drill vocals. I've got many more videos dropping where I make drill beats influenced by other countries. And this Thursday, I should be announcing the new beat contest, and this one's going to be sick. I've got some crazy prizes for it. The main prize is either going to be a cash prize or a guaranteed placement and music video, but other prizes include VSTs and drum kits similar to the ones that I did in my last giveaway. So yeah, hopefully I'm going to be officially announcing all the details this Thursday, but for now let's get into the video. Alright, so I think for this one I'm going to start with the guitar. It's been a minute since I've done a guitar drill beat, so let's see what I can come up with. So I added the count melody and I started flicking through some instruments, but then I just thought it sounded a bit too busy. So now what I'm thinking instead is I'll get rid of the count melody and just find a nice pad to sit underneath the guitar, and then there won't be too much going on then. Alright, so I'm going to quickly show you what I've actually done with the melody, because I know I didn't explain much as I was going through it. So when I was creating the guitar melody, all I was doing is creating a minor chord. So I think I started in C and then I pitched it down. So we're starting with F, and this here is just a F minor chord, but I've just separated the notes a little bit, and then I've got F on top of it. That repeats, and then these notes are just filler notes. And then it's coming down to, I think it's a C minor chord. Yeah, because look, if this note was there, this would be a C minor chord, but you can see I've pitched the D sharp up a full octave, and then I've just got another C here. So it's basically going from F minor to C minor. And then with the pad, I just took them same chords. Look, we've got F minor here and then C minor here. So I took out all the filler notes for the pads just to keep that simple.
You hurt me, babe, but you don't need it. You want it, I could get it. Don't hurt me, babe. You want it, I could get it. You want it, I could get it. You hurt me, babe, but hurt me, babe, but you don't need it. You want it, I could get it. You want it, I could get it, babe, babe.
Alright, so I kind of flew past this bit, but all that I did was I took some vocal samples from Splice. I took like 3 different ones and then chopped them up to create my own kind of arcade effect. So I've got these chops here. They were all in C minor, so I've pitched them all up to F minor, and then I changed the formant with little altar boy just to get the vocal sounding a little bit different, and then added delay, vintage verb, EQ just to filter it out, and then a compressor just because there were some peaks in the vocal, and now it sounded like this. 2 quick ones here. And then some slides here. Alright, so for here, I'm thinking definitely add a few perks, but I don't want to go too crazy because I think the melody is busy enough as it is. So I'm just going to add in some filler perks like these. Right, now open hat too, but I want some of the open hats to be shorter, so I'm just going to adjust the envelope like this and make a couple of them a little bit shorter. And you know what, I'm sure I've used this drum pattern or something real similar in a different tutorial, but can't remember what name it is, so see if anyone can remember. Alright, so for this one, I think it started to sound a little bit too busy, and it's mainly because of the main guitar melody. So once I start arranging it, I'm going to chop up the guitar melody a bit and maybe just get rid of some of the middle notes just to calm everything down, and then I'll probably have everything for the hook. So I'm just going to start mixing it, I'll arrange it all and then show you the outcome. Alright, so I finished the beat, I've arranged everything and mixed it all, and I can't lie, it sounds real similar to a beat that I've made in the past, but it is a different vibe, and I've switched up the 8/8 pattern, which I'm going to talk you through now. So I'll just play it from the beginning. In the intro, I've just got the vocals, and I've made a new pattern for the guitar and just simplified this one, and then added a filter for the intro as well. This is just Fruity Filter. I'll show you what the filter's doing. You can see the cutoffs coming down. So it starts off kind of slow. And then this is the second 8/8 pattern. It's like they're fading out. And this one. So it just gives it a different vibe. It's nice variation. Back to the standard pattern with the middle bits. And then just as a bridge before the hook, I made it the same as the intro, but with a couple 8/8s. And then the pad comes in for the hook. So because the pad's in there, it's just easy to notice that it's the hook. Again, just alternating the 8/8 patterns. And actually, when that delay 8/8 comes in, I'm going to chop the counter snare. There we go. rest of it is the same as the first verse. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you're feeling the beat. As I mentioned earlier, I should be announcing all the beat contest details this Thursday, so stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, then I drop new videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 PM UK time, so if you want more gems, then consider subscribing to the channel. But thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.
J Cactus.